Hey Stampers, I am Dimich here with ddStamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to my Create With Me Club for March. I will tell you, this is like my 6th take. I keep forgetting to hit the button, I'm losing my camera. Oh well, let's hope I get through this one. All right, so this month, my Create With Me Club is a club that I put together as a subscription for people, and what you get is a packet of supplies to complete the projects that I've made. When I do cards, you get to make 2 of each card. And sometimes I add in, like this month I'm adding in a really cute picnic basket box. So you could gift these cards if you wanted to, or you could just put them in there and make them really cute. All right, so let me flip my camera and let's hope it works, because it has been having issues. This month we are using the Sweet Bugs stamp set. So I love this stamp set. I just think it's really adorable. Stampin' Up! Just this afternoon did a little video with the designer of the stamp set and how she did it and what she came up with. I'm going to link that onto my Facebook if you wanted to stop there and just watch that video. It's really cute. And it's kind of fun to see how things are designed and how they're made and what all goes into it. But I love the die set. A lot of the dies coordinate with the paper, so you can cut out some of the images. I love these little mushrooms. We're going to use those in the class. But I also love all these little tiny little dies. But I also like all the tiny little bugs and everything else that goes with this. So that is the Sweet Bugs stamp set. All right. So, paper. You will get in your kit. I'm going to talk about now which comes in your kit. So what comes in your kit is a half a package of the designer series paper. I keep it 12 by 12. You get the whole full sheet. These bugs, a lot of these bugs that are on here have dies that can be cut out with, or have images that can be cut out with dies. It's all two-sided. I love this piece. This is like one of my favorites. And I do love the mushroom. Let me move that out of the way. Got this little check pattern. And then bees and berries. Another cute pattern of paper. I love this one. I love them all. I have to be honest. This was one of my favorite sets. So this piece here, as you can see, you can cut it up and use it as backgrounds for your cards or scrapbook pages. I do use a piece of this. So when you're cutting it out in your club, you just want to be careful that you don't cut one of these that you want to use. So there's the paper. You get a full spool of ribbon, and it is the Old Olive RickRack Ribbon. You get the whole spool. And it's not stretchy. It's very different, but I do love it. It's very soft. It's so easy to work with. And you'll get a full pack of the Ladybug Garden Epoxy Shapes. This particular product right now is back ordered. However, if I don't have them by the time the club goes out, I think I will by the end of March. But if I don't, they are supposed to be in by April, and I will get them out in the mail. So I'll send the kit and then I'll send these later. But you'll have a note in there if that's the case. But these have been very popular, so when they come back in stock, I have to order them immediately. So that's that. You will need a memento or a black ink pad to use with blends. And also I used a soft C on one of the cards for stamping and also for doing a little blending with a blending brush. So you will get a blending brush in your kit too. Those are your ink pads. And the other products that you'll need are blends. And so what I use, products that you'll need, sorry about the dogs, are some blends. So I'm going to let you know here, these are the colors that I used for my project. I used the Color Lifter, Mossy Meadow, Daffodil Delight, Poppy Parade, Crumb Cake, and Petal Pink. Those are the colors that I used. You could use colors that are similar and they would still look good. All right, let me show you the projects for this month. And remember, you get to make 2 of each card, plus you get envelopes that you'll decorate. So this is a fun fold. Cute. Here's one with these little marching ants going across the page, which I just think is really cute. And they're on dimensionals. And I did decorate the insides of each card too, just so you're aware. We have this one using the mushrooms and the flower dies, and then some stamping in the background. That turned out cute. And then here's another one with the mushrooms, and you can see these little embellishments that I used of those dies. And then lastly is the box, which turns out to be my absolute favorite. I love this box. It's really cute. It looks like a picnic box. It's got even got the napkin hanging out. A little gift tag that I did up here, and then it opens up from either side, and you can put all the cards inside there, or you could actually make this box and give it with other fun stuff inside of it. But I do love the box. It turned out to be one of my favorite items. So I was really happy that I had that and that we could add that into Club this month. So you'll get 8 cards with envelopes plus that cute gift box. And you'll have lots of designer series paper and ribbon and the epoxy shapes left over so that you can continue to stamp with your Sweet Bugs stamp set and bundle. I'll post a link in this YouTube video on how you can sign up and where you can get more information. And if it is a subscription, like I said, but you can also sign up for just 1 month and try it out and see what you think. So anyway, if you do it for 6 months, then you get $25 in fun Stampin' Up product from me to you. It comes in your kit. So anyway, take care. I hope you enjoy. If you haven't already done so, sign up for my newsletter where I send out each week tips, tricks, and techniques using products and have all kinds of ideas, and you'll also know what I've got going on and classes that I'm doing. All right, take care and have a great night. Bye-bye.